Hello everyone, hope you enjoyed my review on the Deliver the Wind diesel. Um, I forgot to tell you that I got two new engines coming this week, and apparently this is one of them. It's the Motorized All Engines Go diesel, the normal version. And as you can tell, the box is pretty crumpled. Yeah, just bought this off Amazon and I guess you guys had the similar problem. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them. And under here are the instructions. Telling you how to put batteries in the engine, which I don't necessarily need, but it's cool anyway. Okay, here's Diesel. He's looking happy. I swear that face is gonna haunt you for the rest of your life. He's the same as to what he appeared in Reboot. He has painted buffers, front and back, purple eyes, not sure why they have to make him a bit purple. And here's his well wagon, yellow well wagon with seen some. I think I'm seeing a bit of dirt in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get diesel powered up. He takes on two AAA batteries. a good runner. Ooh, it appears that wheel is a little wonky. To wear on the Deliver the Wind diesel, this wheel is very wonky. Yeah, this is the 5th motorized all engines go item I got. The first being Party Train Percy, Muddy Thomas, Fix 'em Up Friends Set, and 2 recent ones, Deliver the Wind Diesel and the normal All Engines Go Diesel. Yeah, these All Engines Go engines, especially the smaller engines, they're tall. In fact, they're taller than what they appeared in the show. The push long range actually got it right. I guess they made them big and tall enough to put into 2 batteries. Ooh, I'm starting to see some poor quality ship over here. Diesel's buffer beam wasn't even completely painted. There's a little bit of paint missing right here. It's just about right here. Well, anyways, that's my review on the Motorized All Engines Go normal diesel. I love cows. Well, anyways, be sure to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you want. Again, I'll handle your opinions as long as you respect mine. As always, at the end of the videos, I say something like this. Thank you for watching and bye for now. Oh, and also be sure to stay tuned for the next new engine coming this Thursday.